Now we are just evaluating the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor. First of all, you have to understood what is the capacitance. Capacitance basically है क्या? Capacitance is basically define that how much charge can be accumulated by the system. ये पूरा जो system है आपका capacitor, parallel plate capacitor, how much charge can be stored by the plate of that, how much amount of the charge it can be stored, that is the capacitance of its own. अब हमें इसका कैपेसिटेंस निकालना है, कैपेसिटेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने क्या किया है, देयर इज अ फर्स्ट प्लेट ऑफ द कैपेसिटर व्हिच इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज्ड. द पॉजिटिव चार्ज हैज बीन गिवन बाय द एक्सटर्नल रिसोर्स, एक्सटर्नल मीडियम के थ्रू आपने इसको पॉजिटिव चार्ज दिया. कैसे आप इसको दे सकते हैं? लेट सपोज देयर इज अ नेगेटिवली रोड और समथिंग and that has to be come into the contact very nearby to that plate, then the positive charge will be get shifted towards it. So by that process we can give the positive charge to the first of the plate, which is being placed at the insulating stand. इसको इंसुलेटिंग स्टैंड पे हमने सेटअप कर दिया है जिससे कि चार्ज डिके ना हो, ट्रांसफर ना हो. Now that is the second plate of the capacitor. By the induction it will, अब ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, what would happen? It will pull out the electron of that plate because it is a metallic plate, and it will pull out the electron of its, and that is also known as the induction effect. Now the electron are going to shift it towards here, and the positive charge, the same amount of the positive charge will be on the other surface of the secondary plate. अब हमें क्या करना है कि secondary plate जो है उसको we have to connect by mean of the wire through the earth. Why? Because the electron will comes out through the earth, because earth is a very good conductor of electricity. That's why the electron will comes out through the earth, and it will passes through the wire, and it is going to the neutral the positive charge. इस चार्ज को न्यूट्रल कर देंगे. When it becomes neutral, then the amount of the charge on each of the plate will have the same surface charge density. That's why we are going to have the connect the outer end of the secondary plate to the earth. Now we can find out the surface charge density on each of the plate. इस प्लेट की आपकी surface charge density कितनी होगी? Q by A, charge per unit area, that is the surface charge density, because it will have some of the breadth also. ये थोड़ी मोटी भी है, that's why इसका जो surface consider किया जाएगा. If it is becomes very much thin, तो ये आपकी linear होती है, then we will take the linear charge density, and if it is some thickness is there, it means it will have the area. That's why it will have the surface charge density. So it will also hold the surface charge density of its own, that becomes equals to minus Q by A. We may consider either this or that by omitting the negative sign. Now what should be the electric field in that case? Because there are the setup of the two charges on the two plates, it means the electric field also will be there. Electric field भी वहाँ पर होगा from plus to the minus, because the field lines will pass from the plus to the minus, so will also the direction of the electric field. So that's why the field will be what? We know that surface charge density upon epsilon naught, that is the in free space, that is the permeability in the free space of electricity. Now it is replacing the value of the sigma from the equation number first into the second. That is sigma is Q by A, replacing here. Now the voltage will be what? Voltage, as we know that the E into D, electric field set up between the plates into the displacement distance between the two plates, that is the voltage. Now it is voltage becomes E. E की वैल्यू आप यहाँ से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. What is the value of the E? Q upon A epsilon naught, replace here into D. Now finally what we have to need is the capacitance. Capacitance is what? Charge upon voltage. Q equals to CV, then C equals to Q by V. Now replacing the value of the V from here. Now it is Q upon V is QD upon A epsilon naught, replace here. Q will be cancelled out. That should be the capacitance between the parallel plate of. First you have to remind how much amount of the charge has to be given to the first one, that will also have the similar amount of the charge has to be shifted on the secondary plate. That is the foremost condition which you have to remind in that formulation. If you like, my channel, then please subscribe it and like it. Thanks a lot.